In this video, I will show you how to update Spotify. Now, there's two ways to do this, so if you do have an outdated version of Spotify, then make sure to watch the full video to learn two methods on how to update Spotify. The first way to do this, what I'm going to do is just close down Spotify, is from your desktop, if you come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, in here you want to type store, and then open up the Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. Now, once the store has opened, come over to the left-hand side and look for the library option. So you can see mine's down here in the bottom left-hand corner. Give that a click, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. Now, from here, you just need to locate the Spotify app. So if you just scroll through until you find Spotify, and if there is an update available, you're going to find a update button to the right-hand side. So it's going to say update, like I've got here for ChatGPT. Give that a click, and that's going to update Spotify. Now, if any reason that's not working for you, another way to do this is from your desktop, if you come and click onto your search box, this time you want to type settings and then open up settings underneath Best Match. Now, once you've got your settings window opened, come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto apps. And from here, you want to click onto installed apps. What you can then do is use the search box at the top, type Spotify into here, and once Spotify comes up, come and click onto the three dots to the right hand side where it says more options, and uninstall the app from your computer or laptop. So just click on install, run through the steps to uninstall Spotify, and once you've done that, you can close this down. Now, what you need to do is open up a new internet browser, come across to google.com, and just Google search for Spotify download. Once you've done that, click onto the top result, which is going to take you to the official website, which is spotify.com, and from here you can either download this from the Microsoft Store, or you can click the link underneath if you want to download the app directly from Spotify. Once you've done that, it's going to install the latest version of Spotify on your PC, which of course is going to be the most updated version of Spotify. So that is how to update Spotify. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Spotify and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.